Hello students, in previous lecture of differential equation, we learned how to eliminate the arbitrary constant and to form a differential equation. Now this is the further part of differential equation. Question number 1. Verify that y sec x is equal to tan x plus c is a solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y tan x is equal to sec x. Now here we will start with the given form of equation, that is y sec x is equal to tan x plus c. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get, here we have two terms, so we will apply u into v rule. So y derivative of sec x plus sec x into derivative of y is equal to derivative of tan x plus derivative of constant c. So we will get y sec x into tan x plus sec x into dy by dx is equal to sec square x plus 0. Now here in every term we have sec x, therefore dividing throughout by sec x. So we have y tan x plus dy by dx is equal to sec x. This term we can write like this, dy by dx plus y into tan x is equal to sec x. Now this is nothing but the differential equation which is given in the question. So we can say that hence y sec x is equal to tan x plus c is a solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y tan x is equal to sec x. That means if we consider the given equation and if we differentiate the given equation and after simplifying we are getting this equation, so we can say that we have the differential equation with its solution. Now question number 2, verify that y is equal to log x plus c is a solution of the differential equation x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx is equal to 0. Now here also we will start with the given equation y is equal to log x plus c. Now differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of y dy by dx is equal to derivative of log x 1 upon x plus derivative of c, that is 0. So shifting x to this side, we have x into dy by dx is equal to 1. Now if we compare with the differential equation which is given in the question, then here we have second order degree for the given equation. So we need to differentiate this equation again. So again differentiating with respect to x, we get, here we are going to apply u into v rule and to the right hand side we will write 0 because 1 is the constant, so derivative of 1 is 0. So to the left hand side we have x into derivative of dy by dx plus dy by dx into derivative of x. So we will get x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into derivative of x as 1 is equal to 0. So we have x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx is equal to 0. Now if we compare with the given differential equation in the question, then this is nothing but the same. So we can say that y is equal to log x plus c is the solution of the differential equation x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx is equal to 0. Now this was all about when the equation is given, then we find out the equation is the solution of which differential equation. Now this is the next type where we need to find the particular solution for the given equation. So here question number 3, find the particular solution of dy by dx minus y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So here we start with the equation dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. So we have dy by dx is equal to y. So dy is equal to y into dx. Now collecting y terms to one side and x terms to one side. So we have dy by y is equal to dx. Now we can integrate. So integrating on both sides, here we will get integration of 1 upon y as log y, and to the right hand side integration of 1 as x, plus c, which is the constant of integration. We call this as equation number 1. But here we require particular solution when x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So these two values we are going to substitute in equation number 1 to get the corresponding value of constant c. And that value of c again we resubstitute in equation number 1, and now equation 1 will be free from the constant, and that will be nothing but the particular solution. So put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 in equation number 1. We will get log 1 is equal to 0 plus c. So log 1 is equal to c. But we know log 1 is 0. So 0 is equal to c. So we can say c is equal to 0. Now this value of c we will substitute in equation 1. So now equation 1 becomes log y is equal to x, or in the form of exponential we can write like this: y is equal to e raised to x. This is nothing but the particular solution of the given equation. Now let's consider one more question. Question number 4. Solve the following differential equation: 2x minus 2y plus 3 dx minus x minus y plus 1 dy is equal to 0, and hence find the particular solution if x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Now we start with the given equation. Given equation is 2x minus 2y plus 3 dx minus x minus y plus 1 dy is equal to 0. Now we will write both the terms to both the sides. So x minus y plus 1 dy is equal to 2x minus 2y plus 3 dx. Now dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2y plus 3 upon x minus y plus 1. Now if we take 2 common from first two terms of the numerator, then we will get 2 into x minus y plus 3 upon x minus y plus 1. We call this as equation number 1. Now since x minus y term is common in both numerator as well as denominator, suppose we put x minus y is equal to t. Then differentiating with respect to x, we will get dt upon dx is equal to 1 minus dy by dx, and therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 minus dt by dx. Now substituting this in equation number 1 means at the place of dy by dx we will write 1 minus dt by dx, and at the place of x minus y we will write t. So we have 2t plus 3 upon t plus 1. Now shifting this term to this side and dt upon dx to this side, we will get 1 minus 2t plus 3 upon t plus 1 is equal to dt upon dx. Now dt upon dx is equal to cross multiply, we will get t plus 1 minus 2t minus 3, because here minus sign is here in the middle, so sign for 3 will get changed. So we have t plus 1 minus 2t minus 3 upon t plus 1. Now simplifying, we get minus t minus 2 upon t plus 1. Taking minus sign common, we have t plus 2 upon t plus 1. Now since here we have the term in the form of t, shifting the entire term to left hand side, we have t plus 1 upon t plus 2 dt is equal to minus dx. Now integrating, we get integration of t plus 1 upon t plus 2 dt, we can write as integration of t plus 2 minus 1, because t plus 2 minus 1, again we will get t plus 1 and the same thing. So by writing like this, we can simplify further, and to the right hand side we will get integration of dx as minus x, minus sign as it is, plus c. So here after simplification we will get integration of 1 minus 1 upon t plus 2 dt is equal to minus x plus c. Now integrating, we will get t minus log of t plus 2 is equal to minus x plus c. Now resubstituting the value of t, which is x minus y, we will get x minus y minus log of x minus y plus 2 is equal to minus x plus c. Now after simplification, we will get 2x minus y minus log of x minus y plus 2 is equal to c. We call this as equation number 2, because further we need to find the particular solution by substituting the values of x and y. So which is the required general solution, and now to determine the particular solution, we are going to substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 in equation number 2. So equation number 2 will become 2 into 0 minus 1 minus log of 0 minus 1 plus 2 is equal to c. So we have c is equal to minus 1. Now this value of c we will substitute in equation number 2. So 2x minus y minus log of x minus y plus 2 is equal to minus 1. That means that minus 1, if we write to the left hand side, that will become plus 1 is equal to 0, is the particular solution of the given equation. Thank you, students.